Alright, today I'm going to be swapping out these valves. They're kind of older, they're hard to turn. You can see they've been putting some channel locks on it, just tearing it up, so we'll get them swapped out today. I don't know why they put them like this. And actually this one, it's not even hooked up anymore. This one's hooked up still. Well, we'll move it. So it seems like a simple job, which it is, it's just unthreading, but the problem is it's behind everything. So I gotta crawl over all this and work in this area. I wanted to show this in live video, but I forgot to switch it from time-lapse to live video. So basically, I'm going to reuse the nipple because it was in good shape. So I just want to make sure you grip it right at the end of the ball valve, right where it goes in, because that typically doesn't get threaded in to anything after that. got the new valves in. We're just gonna get the water on, make sure we're all good. I like to get the air out, as you always should with an RPZ, or any backflow preventer really. So there you have it. That was an easy repair, but sometimes the easy ones can be a little tough just because of placement. And I know my fellow tradesmen out there will know. Sometimes you go to a call and you're like, oh, that'll be easy. And you get a look at it and it's in a terrible spot. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.